So I'm walking through the show, and I run against this guy, Kim Allen, and I see Alan Blocks, and I say, well, my name is Alan Block, by the way.
Yes, okay.
So I see Alan Blocks, it kind of fits.
That's very good, yeah.
But who is Alan?
Okay. We've been making all this stuff for about 55 years.
Yeah.
It comes to be marketed as Holt Allen. And last year, 2008 actually, we parted company with Holt's for various reasons, commercial reasons, that we decided it was better for us to make our own product and distribute our own product.
Okay.
And we've been building our distributorship, letting the market know, telling people what's going on, and trying to promote ourselves. It's been very difficult because we've had to put a distribution and marketing business on the front of our normal manufacturing business.
Right.
But actually that's worked very well. We've picked up a lot of distributors, a lot of people, and we're brand building and trying to tell the world what we're doing. So
now, where are you mostly? Because I haven't seen you at all in the States yet.
No, that's a difficult one because we've tried to get distribution there. We sell through a couple of companies, mostly Annapolis Performance Sailing. They stock our range of products, and they're doing quite a lot of sales for us, and they're nice people to deal with, nice and easy to deal with. But we had so much to do in Europe with a lot of our existing customers that we've gone for the easy wins at first, and then we'll be pushing ourselves out into the States a bit more. We're working with Laser, so we're working with Annapolis Performance Hardware, and we sold them in the mask business as well. So we're doing as much as we can, but we'd like to do more.
So the obvious question is, what is Holt selling now?
Well, I think they've become involved with Nautos, which is a Brazilian brand.
Okay.
And they're selling quite a lot of that. They've had some stock of our stuff left, but I think now they're going to more and more promote the Nautos brand under the Holt Nautos name, and that's what we're going to do.
All right. So, I mean, is it the standard line, or is it have you changed things around since the Holt name came off it? Or?
No, we haven't. We've done a few new products. We've done about 10 or 15 new products, but really we've been changing the branding over on the products, and that took us quite a bit of time, building stocks and doing all that kind of thing. So that's been quite a hard thing to do in the last year.
It must cost a fortune to make all the machines write out Allen instead of Holt Allen.
Yeah, well it does, but because we've got our own design and tool making facilities, and we own all the tooling and the machinery and the means of production, it wasn't actually as hard as it sounds. We've got lots of CNC machines that can dive into the tooling and cut lumps out and change the names. So it wasn't that hard. It took about 6 months to do the whole thing actually.
Yeah.
So that was pretty good. Pretty happy with that.
Is it? I mean, this seems like the deck fitting business and the block business is getting more and more competitive.
Yes.
Seldine just came in obviously with their Holt Nice line.
Yes.
Now you guys you split off with Holt.
Yeah.
There are a few upstarts. And then there's of course Harkin and Lumar and some of the standards big guys out there.
Yeah.
I mean, is it a really high pressure business? Is it
Yes.
are some of these companies just not going to make it?
I don't know about how they're going to get through it all, but it is very high pressure and it's very competitive. But we feel we've got quite an edge because we've got our own in-house design team, and we really do manufacture all the products ourselves, so we can react very, very quickly. And yes, there is a lot of pressure in the business, but I think what we're trying to do is to give a great customer service, so that when people come to us and they try us, they find we're very easy to deal with. We do a good job, and they're really happy, and they don't want to go to anybody else. That's it's all about customer service, and we can react really quickly. If we get one of our big OEM customers that says, I'd like a Beckett on this block, or I'd like something changed, we can usually do it within a week.
Yeah.
Which is a big advantage over somebody that's manufacturing offshore, or somebody that's not quite so light on their feet, nimble at doing the things. So no, that's kind of what we do.
And you guys you look for that kind of feedback, people asking you to modify this and that, and show you how it works best on their boat.
That's the lifeblood of our business, knowing what the sailors want on their boats, and being ahead of the game with innovation and responding to people. We work with a lot of the big dinghy builders in Europe, and we're always getting constant feedback from them. and the more they feel happy to do that, and they trust us to work with them, there's a synergy there where we can help them, and they can bring work to us, and that's good to have.
All right.
Very good to have.
All right, Kim. So it's what is it? AlanBlocks.co.uk or?
It's the actual website address is
AlanBrothers.co.uk.
alanbrothers.co.uk.
You can also check them at aps.com.
Yes.
Thank you. Good luck. It's great to see a new competitor out there, and
Great.
especially one that's been around forever.
I know.
We'll see how you can do on your own.
Okay. Thank you
Cheers.
very much.